Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to talk about what are the differences between function and methods. So functions are usually defined by users, that is user-defined functions, and they can be also methods. And methods are something which has predefined functions or functions which can be used to change outcome of a string, object, or array. Okay, we usually invoke it with the help of a dot notation. So now let's code without it. So this is a function. Okay, suppose function new name so this is a function which is user defined, and on the other hand this is a method, that is it has built-in functions of JavaScript. Okay, sorry, if you write let name equals to Tanzim, and now if you want to write something like this, name dot to, okay, sorry, name is a reserved word in JavaScript. Name is a reserved word in JavaScript. So in future I will make a tutorial on all the reserved words in JavaScript. So as of now what I need to do is I need to write my name dot to uppercase. Okay, and now if I run this script, let's see what we get. Okay, we get here nothing because we did not print this thing to the console. Okay, and we also didn't invoke this, so that was a mistake. And now if we just write, suppose let uppercase name equals to so now if I run this script, let's see what we get. Okay, so here you see this is my function which I have defined, that is what I do is I write a function and I invoke it. Here I declare a variable which is my name, then what I do is I use this toUppercase method, which is a built-in JavaScript function, to change the outcome of this my name, and now I take it inside another variable and I just console log this. So to invoke this function I need to use a dot because it's directly changing the outcome of this name. Yeah, future we can make our methods, and so while we'll be learning about objects and many other things, the things would be more crystal clear to you. So as of now you can say functions are usually user defined, that is we define and invoke a function. Methods are usually predefined and it is used directly to change the outcome of a string or something, and we use dot notation to invoke a method. So I guess we are clear between what is a method and what is a function. So that's very much it. Thank you.